Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to do screen recording on your iPhone iOS 18. For example, if you want to record your screen in high quality and you want to use your iPhone default screen recorder or any screen recorder, so how you can do that? For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi internet connection. And after that, what you have to do next is you have to simply go to settings. And here you have to simply go to general, and after that you have to scroll it down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhone. And here you have to simply click on reset, and you have to reset all network settings. And after that you have to go back, and here you have to go to general, and you have to click on software update, and here you have to make sure that you have installed the latest version of iOS on your iPhone. And after that, now what you have to find you have to find a screen recorder. So if what first of all, you have to simply add a screen recorder in your control center so that you can simply find it here. So here you can simply find a screen recorder as icon. Here you can simply find that you can find I am recording screen recording on your iPhone, and it is saving in the photos. So you have to simply press and hold, and after that you can simply click on that icon and your screen recording will start. But you have to make sure that this screen recording only record in lower quality. So if you want to record in higher quality, then you can simply open the app store here, and after that you can simply look for an app which can provide you higher quality. So here you can simply find for screen recorder, and after that you can find a screen recorder of high quality for iPhone, and you have to simply search for that. So here are many options available. So one of the best screen recorder is DU recorders, because it provides HD and 4K video quality while screen recording, but it has some paid version, so you have to simply pay for if you want to record in 4K recording. So you have to make sure about that. Now if you want to record it, then you can simply download and install that app, and you can check for that. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.